I'm going to give you some strong medicine today, but not everyone can bear it. Try to understand how much you can. If one day you can understand what I'm saying, you will suddenly find that your past life seems to have been in vain, and you will feel that many things you cared about in the past are actually not worth mentioning. First of all, many things in this world are actually fictional. Countries, laws, religions, societies, marriages, including many concepts and cognitions in your mind, people are defined, educated, and infiltrated by these fictional things, and are divided into different groups by fictional concepts and assigned to different places to live different lives. Everyone sees, feels, and understands differently, so more fictional cognitions and rules are born. Therefore, all the principles, thoughts, and all the books in bookstores, except for the laws of nature, are artificially compiled. They don't have to be like this. All concepts and principles can be tried to be broken and changed according to different conditions and dimensions. Those who have broken through, without exception, all found out after experiencing some things that the deepest things rooted in their hearts, which they thought were unshakable, could actually be this way or that way. Only then will they wake up. If you understand what I said above, please collect and continue reading, because I will lead you to break through directly. There is a word in Buddhism called, which describes the highest realm of forbearance. It means that when you don't take this matter seriously, there is no such thing as forbearance. For example, if an ant yells and scolds you at your window every day, you will not feel wronged or humiliated even if it scolds you dirty, except that you think it's fun. This incident shows that as long as you don't care, there is actually no difference between people and ants. In the past, Zhigung said to Confucius, "A man from Zheng said that you look like a dog that has lost its home." Zhigung thought that these 3 words, a dog that has lost its home, would make Confucius angry, but Confucius was not unhappy at all. Instead, he smiled and said, "A dog that has lost its home, yes, it is very true." In the past, Han Xen was walking on the street. A group of people wanted to embarrass him. The leader wanted him to crawl under their crotch before letting him go. At this time, Han Xen was subjected to the famous crotch humiliation. Many film and television dramas interpret this part with full of humiliation that is almost suffocating to death. But if you read the original work yourself, you will find that Han Xen may not take it seriously at all. For him, he was in a hurry to do important things. As long as he crawled under the crotch of this rogue, he could save time and effort to get rid of this group of idiots, so he didn't think much about it and completed this simple action. There was no humiliation. It was that simple. So everyone, this world is full of various sayings and concepts, what is true, what is false, what is good, what is bad, and even what is right and wrong. In fact, most of them have no standards. As long as you don't hurt others, everything you do is good and right. Before you get wise, you want to explain for 3 days and 3 nights, and you want to give your heart to others. After you get wise, you generally don't explain too much when you encounter misunderstandings. You just want to smash the ground and it's none of my business. Before you get wise, the soldier is Ding Mao Shirmao, and you think many things are sacred and inviolable. After you get wise, you go wherever you want, and you say human words to people and ghosts to ghosts. You say whatever the other party likes to hear, because they can only hear these. They say you are an old dog. If you limit yourself to the derogatory meaning of the word old dog, you are really a dog, and you are allowed to go into the library. If you go into the library and say a few good words and put on a smile, you can accomplish a big thing and even get a big result. Why not do it? You are misunderstood. To be honest, if even fools can understand you, then how ordinary you must be. You don't get married, don't have children, don't have a stable job, and don't follow the crowd. There's really no need to worry about it. You can do whatever makes you happy. There is no crowd in this world that will kill you if you don't follow it. In fact, I have said so much just to let you know that nothing matters. This game is fun. Don't just stay in the small circle defined by others. You are fully capable of jumping out of it and even become the designer of the game, making others the NPCs in your game, because when most people are asleep, you have already woken up with this video. Finally, I want to tell you that I have always believed that a person needs to go through 4 stages from ignorance to awakening. The first stage is cynicism, the second stage is disrespectful playfulness, The third stage is total denial, and the fourth stage is accepting everything. Which stage are you in now? Follow me and I will help you see the reality and break through your life.